Dear students, I am going to teach you a math of class 4. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 13, Fields and Fences. This is the part 1 of this chapter. First of all, we discuss about the name of chapter. What do you understand by fields and fences? So fields represent area and fences represent the perimeter or boundary. Okay, the perimeter and boundary is a similar meaning. Let's more understand with the example. See in the picture. See, can you see the green color part? That is the field. Field means an area of open land. खुली जगह होती है, generally we call the field. And to measure the length of a field, we have to find the area. उसका measurement करेंगे, that means हमें area find करना पड़ेगा. How to find that I will teach you later. Now can you see that brown color lines around it? That is called the fences. Fences is used to prevent an area of ground or land. वो जो हमारा area होता है उससे वो prevent करती है. And this fences is made up of wire or wood etc. वो wire और wood से बनी होती है. So to measure the length of fences, हमें जो fences का measurement करना है, that means we have to find the perimeter. Okay. So now let's open the textbook page number 149. So let's start our chapter. Rahmat is a farmer. He grows wheat in his field. ये रहमत की फील्ड है, उसमें वो क्या ग्रो करता है? wheat. I need a fence around my field. उसको उसके फील्ड्स के अराउंड फेंसेस लगानी है. How much wire should I buy? उसको कितना वायर खरीदना पड़ेगा? So रहमत needs to find the length of the boundary of field. अगर उसको फेंसिंग करना है, that means he should measure the boundary. Okay, just now I told you boundary means perimeter. Can you find it from this picture? See the length of each side written near it. देखो नीचे वाले पिक्चर में हर एक साइड की लेंथ लिखी हुई है. So this side length is 9 meter, this side 15 meter, this side 21 meter, and this side length is 9 meter. Okay, so when we do the additions of all these sides, we get the boundary. So अब 9 plus 15 plus 21 plus 9 करोगे, you get the boundary, you get the total is 54 meter. It's already written here. The boundary is 54 meters long. So Rahmat's field's boundary is 54 meter long. Understood? Boundary means perimeter. So whenever you have to find the boundary or perimeter, you have to do the additions of all these sides. Okay? So now let's see the next one. Rahmat bought a roll of 70 meter wire for the fence. वो फेंसिंग करने के लिए कितना वायर लाता है? 70 मीटर. ओके, बट एक्चुअली द बाउंड्री ऑफ द फील्ड इज़ 54 मीटर. उसकी फील्ड की बाउंड्री 54 मीटर है, बट ही बॉट द वायर ऑफ 70 मीटर. नाउ यू टर्न द नेक्स्ट पेज. दैट इज पेज नंबर 150. So I should also do the same for my field. I should also do the same. यानी गणपत कहता है मुझे भी मेरी फील्ड के लिए सेम ऐसा ही करना है. ओके, सो कैन यू गिव मी द वायर दैट इज़ लेफ्ट विथ यू? क्या आपके पास जो वायर है वो मुझे दोगे? आई विल यूज़ इट फॉर माई फील्ड. मैं मेरी फील्ड के लिए यूज़ करूँगा. सो रहमत से ओ श्योर वाई नॉट. वो बोलता है ओके आई विल गिव यू. So what is our questions? How much wire did रहमत give to गणपत? यानी रहमत गणपत को कितना वायर देगा? तो रहमत कितना बॉट करता है? 70 मीटर. उसमें से उसको कितने वायर की ज़रूरत है? 54. बिकॉज द रहमत फील्ड बाउंड्री इज़ ओनली 54 मीटर. रहमत की जो बाउंड्री है वो 54 मीटर की है. डैट मीन्स ही नीड्स ओनली 54 मीटर. तो 70 में से 54 माइनस करेंगे. सो हाउ मच लेफ्ट? 16 मीटर. 16 मीटर बचेगा. So that much he gave 16 meter wire to the Ganpat. Understood students? Now let's see next one. Now Ganpat thanked Rahmat and started fencing his own field. गणपत रहमत को थैंक्स बोलता है और वो अपनी फील्ड्स को अपनी फील्ड्स को फेंसिंग करना स्टार्ट करता है. सी दिस इज द गणपत फील्ड एंड बट ही नीड टू गेट मोर वायर. अब उसको ज़्यादा वायर की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. वाई? आई विल टेल यू. हाउ लॉन्ग इज़ द बाउंड्री ऑफ द गणपत फील्ड. गणपत की फील्ड की बाउंड्री कितनी है तो पता चलेगा ना कि हाउ मच वायर ही नीड्स. बाउंड्री मेजर करेंगे तो पता चलेगा ना कि उसको कितने वायर की ज़रूरत है. So first we have to find the boundary. See, this is 15 meter, this side 15 meter, here 9 meter, this side 18 meter and this side 9 meter. If we do the additions of all the sides, we get the boundary. See, I have already written 15 plus 15 plus 9 plus 18 plus 9. So we get the total 66 meter. That means the boundary of the Ganpat field is 66 meter. And ये सबका जो एडिशन करोगे we get the boundary. That means we get the perimeter. Understood? So boundary total करने पर हमें perimeter मिलता है, right? So the boundary of the Ganpat is 66 meter. What is next questions? How much more wire will Ganpat need for this field? और गणपत को अब कितने और वायर की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. The boundary is 66 meter and Rahmat has given 16 meter wire. So how much left? 16 में से 66 चला जाएगा तो 50 meter wires he needs. Understood students? Okay, now we go to the next page. That is page number 151. So have you opened the page number 151? This is our practice time. Here are the pictures of some more fields. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी fields दी गई है. Find out which one has the longest boundary. आपको 4 एग्जाम्पल दिए गए हैं दिस पेज पे. The 4 fields are given. उसमें से फाइंड करना है कि किसकी बाउंड्री सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. कैन यू सी दिस field? The boundary is already written with the measurement, right? So what has to do? Boundary is equal to dash meter. हमें यहाँ पे बाउंड्री फाइंड करना है. Now everybody knows how to find the boundary. When we do the additions of all the sides of this picture, we get the boundary, right students? So what is measurement here? 6 meter plus 15 meter plus 24 meter plus 15 meter. So we get the boundary. So if we do the additions of both the sides, we get the 60 meters. Okay, so boundary of this field is 60 meters. So you have to write on this blank 60 meter. Understood students? Okay, now see the second one, B. Okay, can you see the field? Here the boundary is given 6 meter, here 3 meter, then 6 meter, 6 meter plus 12 meter plus 9 meter. When you add all the sides, see I have written 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 9. That means total is 42 meters. So boundary of this field is 42 meter. समझ में आ रहा है how to find the boundary? Boundary means you have to do the additions of all the sides. And what is the boundary means what? Perimeter. Understood? If you ask the boundary or perimeter, you have to do the same procedures. You have to do the additions of all the sides. Now let's see the third one. What is our third question? See this field. Here one side measurement is 12 meter, 15 meter and 9 meter. हम ये तीनों का एडिशन करेंगे. वी गेट द बाउंड्री 9 plus 12 plus 15. So we get the boundary is 36 meter. Okay, so the boundary of the field is 36 meter. Okay, now let's see the fourth example, that is D. So students, this is a big one. Let's count it. So what is this? 15 meter. उसमें कितना ऐड करना है? 9 meter plus 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 9 meter plus 15 meter. So I have written here, you do the additions of all this number, you get the 78 meter. So the boundary of this field is 78 meter. So you have to write answer on this blank is 78 meter. Understood students how to find the boundary? So what is our question, that which boundary has the longest boundary? So our first answer is 60 meter. Second is the first is 60 meter. First field boundary 60 meter. Second is 42 meter. And third one is the 36 meter. And fourth one is 78 meter. So which one has the longest boundary? Of course the D has the longest boundary. Which one has the longest boundary? The D has the longest boundary because the boundary is 78 meter long. Understood, students? Now let's see some extra example. Okay, see here students, here you have to find the perimeter of a square. क्या फाइंड करना है स्टूडेंट्स आपको? पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर. इन प्रीवियस वी हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ डिफरेंट फील्ड. अब अगर आपको स्क्वायर का पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है तो हाउ कैन यू डू इट? इट्स वेरी इजी. पेरीमीटर मीन्स वी हैव टू do the additions of all the boundaries, right? This is the square, so 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, that means answer is 8 centimeter. Okay, so another way how can you do it? Square all the sides are same, square की सारी sides same होती है. You can this way also, 2 multiply 4, square has 4 sides, so 2 multiply 4, so you get the answer 8 centimeter. That is also easy to find the answer. So it is clear about this, how to find the perimeter, or we can say boundary. That means you have to do the additions of all the sides, so you get the boundary or perimeter. But you need write in compulsory. In answer you have to compulsory write the units. Okay, now students, I am giving you two sum as a homework. Okay, after watching this video, this is your homework. Here also given the measurement. You have to find the perimeter of this rectangular field. Okay, so the measurement is 10 meter, here 5 meter, 10 meter and 5 meter. So you have to find the perimeter of this field. ये जो field है उसका perimeter आपको find करना है and answer has to write in comment box. One more example I am going to give you. This is the B. Here also one picture is given. You have to find the perimeter of this picture. Understood how to find? आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना perimeter कैसे find करना है? So after watching this video, you have to find the perimeter and write in comment box. How can you write it? Chapter 13 और आंसर करके क्या लिखना है? A. Okay, write A and answer perimeter dash answer. Then B, perimeter dash answer. Okay, that you have to write in the comment box. I hope you have understand whatever I taught you. Okay students, so do the more practice. Okay, and you have to do the revisions so you can understand more properly. So students, so in the comment box I have given 2 example as a homework. What has to find in that example? You have to find the perimeter, that means boundary. Or what can you do? How can you find the boundary? I already taught you कैसे करना है. You have to do the additions of all the sides, so you get the boundary, you get the perimeter. Boundary and the perimeter is the similar words. Okay, so you have to, and those who will give the answer in the next video, I will give the name in the video who has given the right answers. I hope you will solve this and you understand. Okay, thank you students.